Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will discuss about an important concept called data loader. So in this video we will discuss about dataloader.io, which we can use it through a browser. Okay, so I'll show you what exactly data loader is and how we can use it and what would be the ideal use case scenario. So basically let's learn about dataloader.io. So basically it's a cloud-based application for Salesforce that helps you import, export and delete data effortlessly. Unlike the desktop data loader, it works entirely online, so there is no need for installation. So basically there is a desktop version of data loader as well. So we need to install JDK as well to run it, and then we need to authorize through credentials, and then it is ideal if we have some millions of records. If the data is less, so we need not to worry about data loader. Instead we can use dataloader.io. And let's talk about use case scenario here. So assume you are a sales rep and you have attended a conference, and when you had a discussion with the members in the conference, right, there can be like 5,000 potential leads you got, and you need to upload those details to the Salesforce, right? So if you can do it one at a time, right? For 5,000 leads, it will take some tons of time. You need to invest a lot of time. So in that case, what we can do is we can directly upload the data using a data loader also, right? So I'll tell you, I will show you how we can use dataloader.io. Keep in mind, guys, this is dataloader.io we use in browser. There is another thing called data loader. It is a desktop app. So just uh, know the differences. Now let's try to open the org first. Let me click on here, and then I'm gonna capture it so we can have a good amount of documentation as well. Then go here, click on hands on org. Now I'm going to launch this org. Okay, now what happens is, um, let's try to open Salesforce dataloader.io. Salesforce dataloader.io. So this is what it is, and then you need to authorize it with Salesforce. Just click on here and then log in, and you need to authorize it through your credentials. Done. It has been connected successfully. Right, so this is what it is. Now let's click on leads. So now we are going to create leads. So let's open this one we have created recently, and then I'm gonna click on show all data. um, let's do one thing. Let's click on here. This is lead, right? So let's click on this one. Let me refresh this one. Details. explore API. No. Details. Okay, if you see, we got the API names as well. So what we can do here is I'm gonna get some dummy data, mock data. It's a random data generator. So thing number one, um, we need to have a name. Name would be just name, company name. Okay, first name. Oh, we already have first name and last name. First name, last name is okay. FIRST first name, LAST last name, first name, last name, company, COMPNY company would be um, mm, 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 company name and lead status. Status. Let's try to create a new lead. Save. So first name, last name, company. First name, last name, company we have provided already, and lead status, which is status. It should be um mm, 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 status should be we will add the status field later. In the meanwhile, I'll try to create student Salesforce learner. Save. Okay, lead status, it is taking itself, so we need not to worry about this one. um I think that's it. Now we are going to create 99 rows. um okay, just generate data. Now um sheets, Google, Sheets. Okay, now import, upload, browse, downloads, mock data. Done. So I'm just showing you what kind of data we got. The company, email, first name and last name, right? So we got around 99 records. Now what I'm going to do here is, we have here, right? We are going to import them. So basically I'm going to click on import. Sorry, new task, import. Insert. We can do insert, upset and update and delete as well. For example, here you see, right? You can do any of those activities. For now I'm going to click on import. lead object. Next, so I'm going to upload the mock data. Name we don't need. First name, last name, email, company is done. Okay, these are mapped and this is not mapped. Okay, now click on next. uh, okay, save and run. Proceed. It will take some time to upload. We have mapped it and we are running it. So once the job is done, we will get to know. In the meanwhile, we can also click on here, leads. You see, leads all already created. 76. Earlier it won't be there, but now we got already lot of leads. Imports. If you see, details created by now 71. We got email, phone number. Jonas Charles Runder Company. We did not add it titles, but it's okay. We got lead created so far. So just assume if we are going to do 99 records manual update, it will take a lot of time, right? So to save the time, we have done this activity. It is still checking the result. So in the meanwhile, I want to tell you so that there are some similar tools also available, and those are like Salesforce Data Loader. I mean the desktop version, one which I have told you. And another way is you can also import the logs through this one through Salesforce Inspector. And there is another tool called Jitterbit Data Loader for Salesforce. I have not used it, but there is an option to use it. And Workbench is also like very useful tool. Let me show you what it is. I mean, I will show it in the next video. It would be great because it is taking already a lot of time. Let us come here. Let's do this one again. Okay, this is done already. Task run, 0 errors, 99 successes. We already have the enough data. So mock data we got, and we are going to import the data, success data. See, this is what it is. We got IDs, we got these things created. Item insert. If we delete it, it will show us. If we have some failures also, it will show us. So this is how it works. in the real time. I think I have told you the relevant as well, right? Yeah. And there are some best practices we need to follow when we are uploading the data. First thing first, always clean your data before importing. When I say always clean your data, I mean normalize the data, delete the unwanted one, delete the duplicates to make sure your org is having the clean data, and avoid any incomplete data. If the data is completed, then only upload, because it is a good practice, and we don't want to make any things. And also double check the field mappings always to avoid errors. Sometimes there would be fields would be very similar. If we map it to the wrong field, uh, it will create a mess. Although you can delete it, but still it will create a mess. And that's it. I think that's it for the video. And data loader IO is a must have tool for Salesforce admins, developers, and any sales reps who are working with the large data volumes. And yeah, that's it for this video, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also check out the description for links. I have also created the blog for this. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.